This is Dr. Srinivas K. Shetty. Welcome to the last session on statistical basis and thermodynamics. In today's session, we will study what is an ensemble and average properties. Ensemble and average properties. The ensemble is a collection of identical systems with all accessible microstates in it with equal frequency. It is a collection of identical system with all accessible microstates in it with equal frequency is called as an ensemble. So ensemble is a collection of what? Identical systems with all accessible microstates, isn't it? With equal frequency. For example, let us consider an example of four particles in two compartments. So this is a previous example that we have studied, isn't it? It is it the example consists of four particles, identical distinguishable particles, which are to be distributed in two compartments, isn't it? So in order to explain the microstates and macrostates, we have consider this example. This system has 16 microstates. We have studied there are 16 microstates. We can draw all the 16 microstates as 16 identical systems. These 16 microstates are shown in the figure like AB in the first compartment, CD in the second compartment, or BC in the first compartment and AD in the second compartment. So there are in all 5 macrostates and 16 microstates for such kind of a system. Due to interaction among particles, the system passes through all accessible microstates as time passes. Due to the atoms and molecules in the system are interacting with each other. If the atoms and molecules in the system are interacting with each other, the system passes through all accessible microstates as time passes. As time progresses, the system passes through all accessible microstates. So in short interval of time, in a short time, we find that some microstates repeat more frequently than the other. So as time passes, we find that some microstates are repeated more frequently and some microstates are repeated less frequently or not at all repeated. If we observe for a long time, we find that all the microstates are repeated with equal frequency. If the observations are made for a very long time, we find that all the microstates are repeated with equal frequency. In the present case of 16 accessible microstates, if we take 48 observations, if we take small number of observations like 48 observations, we expect each microstate should appear just 3 times, isn't it? So what we expect that we expect each microstate should repeated 3 times, because 16 3s are 48. We expect each microstate to be repeated 3 times, but in actual practice, but some microstates may occur even 7 times and some microstates may not occur. Right? If you observe it for 48 observations, some it may happen that some microstates may occur 7 times and some microstates may not occur at all in these 48 observations. On the other hand, if we take 48 into 10 to the power 20 observations in all, if we take large number of observations like 48 into 10 to the power 20 observations, then the observed frequency of all these microstates would not be different from 3 into 10 to the power 20, isn't it? So if you make large number of observations, then we find that each microstate is repeated equal number of times, isn't it? Like if we make 48 into 20 observations, 10 to the power 20 observations, then each microstate will be repeated in 3 into 10 to the power 20 times. Here we consider the postulate of equal a priori probability, isn't it? So every accessible state has a equal probability to happen. Every accessible state has equal. It is the fundamental postulate of statistical mechanics. So in the beginning of the chapter, we have studied what is meant by equal a priori probability. It is the fundamental postulate of statistical mechanics. So each accessible microstate has equal probability to happen, which is called as postulate of equal a priori probability. It says that a system can exist in each of the accessible microstate with equal probability. In other words, no preference is given to any one or more microstates other over other. So there is no preference for one microstate or other micro. All the microstates are treated on the equal footing, or all the microstates have equal probability to happen. The probability of a particular macrostate is the ratio of number of microstates in that macrostate to total number of accessible microstates. We have studied this. The probability of a macrostate is the ratio of number of microstate in that macrostate divided by total number of accessible microstates. Let a macrostate let a macrostate is represented by suffix j, and let wj be frequency with which it occurs, isn't it? Let us consider a macrostate represented by j, and wj be the frequency with which that macrostate occurs. That is the number of microstate falling under jth macrostate, isn't it? The probability of occurrence of jth macrostate is given by wj upon summation of wj. Summation of wj is nothing but the sum of all the microstate. If any property x, maybe that property may be energy or component of momentum or anything, has a value xj in the jth macrostate, isn't it? Then the average value of this property over the ensemble is denoted by x bar, or average value of x is given by x bar, or average value of x is summation of xj into pj, which is summation of xj into wi divided by summation of wi, because pj is summation of pj is wj divided by summation of w. Let's try to understand this expression on the basis of the following problem. A system has 5 different macrostates. Let us consider a system which has 5 macrostates, under which there are 6, 20, 42, 12 and 2 microstates. So these 5 macrostate has 6, 20, 42, 12 and 2 microstates respectively. The property x associated with the system has values 4, 4, 2, 6 and 10 respectively for 5 macrostates. We are asked to calculate the probabilities of different macrostates and average value of x and of under root of x square. We are asked to find out the probabilities of different macrostates. What are the probabilities of the macrostates, isn't it? There are 5 macrostates, and each macrostate has different microstates. So first macrostate has 6 microstates. Similarly, second has 20, third has 42, fourth has for 12, and fifth has 2 microstate. And there is a property x which has values 4, 4, 2, 6, 10. So we are asked to find out the probabilities of different macrostates and average value of x and that of under root of x square. So the sum of thermodynamic probabilities or total number of microstates are, so let us sum of these microstates 6 plus 20 plus 42 plus 12 plus 2, which comes out to be 48, isn't it? So which comes out to be 48. Sorry, it 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 comes out to be 82, isn't it? By mistake it has printed 48. It comes out to be 82. So Pj, the probability of that each macrostate is, the probability of the first macrostate is 6 by 82, second macrostate is 20 by 82, third macrostate is 42 by 82, fifth macrostate is 12 by 82, and fifth microstate is 2 by 82. So the average value of x, which is 1 upon 82, which is summation of summation of these microstates, 1 upon 82 into 6 into 4, the value of x for the first macrostate is 4. So 6 into 4, the value of x for second macrostate is 4. So 20 into 4, there are 20 microstates in the second macrostate. Similarly, 42 into 2 plus 12 into 6 plus 2 into 10, that comes out to be 3 into 3.14. Second, under root of x square, which is equal to 1 upon 82 into 6 into 16. Why 16? Which is square of x, isn't it? So 6 into 16 plus 20 into 16, because 4 is the frequency, because 4 is the value of x. 4 is the value of x for the first macrostate. 4 is the value of x for the second macrostate. 2 is the value of x for third macrostate. 6 is the value of x for fourth macrostate, and 2 is the value of x. 10 is the value of x for fifth macrostate. So 6 into 16 plus 20 into 16 plus 42 into 4 plus 12 into 36 plus 2 into 100, isn't it? And we take the square root of this, we get 3.85. So in this way we come to the end of this unit, isn't it? So this unit, statistical basis and thermodynamics, we have studied what is meant by statistical basis, what is the significance of statistics in physics. Then we have studied what is meant by probability, then what is equal a priori probability, some simple rules of probability like additive rule, multiplicative rule, and other rules. Then we have studied what is meant by permutation and combination. Then we have studied what is meant by microstate and macrostate. Then we have studied thermodynamic probability. Then we have studied the relation between thermodynamic probability and entropy, that is S is equal to K log of W. And at the end of the unit we have studied what is an ensemble and average properties. So we come to the end of the unit. So in the next video we will start with the next unit. Till then, take care, have a nice time, like, share and comment our videos, and don't forget to press the bell button, bell icon. Thank you very much.